Okay. Students, can you remember what we did last week? What we did? We did statistics. Alright, let me just remind you of what we have done yesterday or last week. What kind of graph is this called? This is called a bar graph. This is called bar graph. Just remind me of what it is. Alright, what is this one called? Histogram, right? Histogram, when the bars join together to form a histogram. Line graph. This one called? This one is called a pie chart. Does it look familiar? What do you think this is called? A wheel graph. The secret sports. Alright. Let me tell you to and see if you can remember this. What is this called? Frequency polynomial curve. Right. Frequency polynomial curve. Now, we actually be utilizing 4 of them today, which are what we know as the line graph, the frequency polynomial curve, or the frequency curve, you can call it, the bar graph, and the histogram. So we are utilizing this. And according to our objectives today, we are looking at charts and graphs, extracting information from it so that we can be able to interpret and apply to these situations. Alright? So, in today's activity, we'll start class with looking at some of these charts. Alright? First of all, this here is called again a what? Graph. Alright. Now this is showing you the quantity of rainfall between January and June. If you look at this information here, what do you think is the highest? Which month has the highest? June. And then the highest rainfall. Highest rainfall in centimeters is June, right? So you can see that we actually can utilize mathematics in everyday experiences. The meteorological stations utilize it, mathematics to make graph or statistical information so that they can be able to make decisions whether to inform farmers the best time to plant in the month of June because of heavy rainfall. You can understand how to interpret the information? Right. Okay. So now we can divide ourselves into groups. Choose your partner and we'll do this information. Alright, so if you all go together and we all play sports. No, this is listen. Groups of two. Okay, groups of two, take a look at them. We can collaborate and see if you can answer them now. Ready to present? What you'll do when you're making a presentation, right? You're going to just write the answer. A, B, C, D, according to this. The answer has to put your answer there. Yeah. What's the next question?
Which years did it score the same number of goals?
Yeah. So what years do you see? Is he correct there?
2010.
Right, beautiful. What is the next one?
What is the difference in goals between 2003 and 2008?
What is 5?
What is 5? 2008 is 5.
2003,
2008.
it is 9, and 2008,
2008 is 5.
2007. Yeah.
2007.
The question is 2008. 2007 is the one that go up. If you check it out, you notice 2000, that fall between the blank space there, between 2006 and 2008, that is 5. Go up a little higher and you find 2008. 2008 is 16. So 16, you can make the correction there. Is 16. So the difference between those two.
Seven goals.
Alright. Let's just retract right back up to C. A question is asked, which years did he score the same number of goals? Alright? Same number of goals. And we have what? 2008 and 2009. Now if you check on 2008 and 9, 2016, right? Right. 2009 has less. So 2009 has less goals.
So maybe 2006 and 2010.
2006.
2006, 2010.
2002 has the same goals as 2006.
And 2010.
Has the same goals as 2010. Alright, you're just looking at this. Right, so they score the same number of goals in the international FIFA World Cup. Right? The last part, what is part B? You said how many?
A little difference in the goals between least and most numbers of goals.
How much you all see? The same thing, right? The same thing?
14 goals.
Alright, good. And the next one?
Which years when the number of goals are added together will still be less than the goals scored by Barcelona in 2000?
Alright, this question could be a little tricky. Alright, they're asking if you look for the 2 years, alright, that they score goals, when you add those goals that they score on those years would be less than when they began scoring goals in 2000. Alright, in 2000, how many goals they scored? 15, right? You're looking for 2 years there. When you add those goals in those years, when you add the goals scored in that year and the other year, okay? When you add those goals, it still be less. The number that they get is less than 2000, right? And he got 2007 and 2002, or 2003 and 2007. 2003, they score how many? 9? How many score?
They score 9.
9. And how many score in 2007?
5.
5. So if you add 9 and 5, how much you will get? Is 40 less than scored in 2000?
Yes, sir.
And how much is scored in 2000 again? 50. I'll ask any volunteer to stand and summarize what they have learned in this lesson.
Watch carefully the mistakes of it. Make your loss 20 marks.
Alright, so, okay, in other words, what he's saying is that you should, when you're reading graphs, look carefully, take your time and interpret information properly. Look carefully and interpret information properly, right? Anybody else? Alright, so what you also learn is, again, in short, what he's saying that you can use the information that by reading a graph and learning from the graph, different graphs that we have learned so far, alright, we can use that information and make certain decisions that can change our life. Alright, thank you very much. Anybody else? That's it? Alright, so as I can summarize for you, alright, what we have done, I believe that our objective has been met, that we have used the graph and charts. Name the graphs again. What are the graphs you use? Histogram, bar graph, line graph or line chart, and frequency, polygon curves. Alright, so we have used those information, and those informations that we have gotten from real life situations, alright, things that we happen every day. Alright, we can use those information and make decisions. Yeah, so thank you for participating. Before you go, I would like you to evaluate the lesson, what you think about the lesson, anything that you learned from the lesson today, each and every one of you, before you can leave. Alright? And just interpret. Just tell me what you want to say. Alright? You don't have to write anything wrong, it could be